Today we're making a whiskey sour, one of my favorite cocktails, with just 3 ingredients. Hop on the couch and let's whip one up. We're going to use one of my favorite Canadian whiskeys, but you guys can honestly use whatever whiskey you have at home, scotch, bourbon, in this case rye. So it's going to be nice and spicy, which should go well with the maple syrup, so that's the next ingredient. 1/2 ounce of this. Next, I'm going to add a full ounce of lemon juice. Use fresh citrus whenever you can. So the last ingredient is going to be a pinch of salt. If you guys have bitters, you can use them, but basically that just acts to tie everything together. Works in the same way. And if you guys don't have a shaker at home, you can use a mason jar. Look at that color. If you want to do a garnish, we're gonna add just a nice fresh lemon zest. Bam, whiskey sour. Cheers.